Hey guys, Austin here with Full Line Ag. Welcome back to Full Line Ag TV on YouTube. So today's video, we're on another Fendt. It's going to be all about foot pedal mode and how foot pedal mode is in the Fendt. It's going to be a pretty quick video, so let's dive into it. So to start this video off, I'm going to show you how to turn on foot pedal mode. We're going to first look at the monitor, and on this monitor we're going to click the home button just to make sure we're home. And now within this tractor we can see the foot pedal mode. It's currently gray, which means it's not active and live. So we'll look over here and we'll make sure TMS is turned on. Then we'll click the foot pedal mode, and as we can see, now it's green. Now it's live and it's ready to be put in use. We can also look on the dash, and the dash it says the foot pedal mode is now on. So now to drive with foot pedal mode, now that we got that active, we are going to go over here and we can first grab that shuttle and push the shuttle forward, and you can see the solid arrows turn to a blinking forward arrow. So now if we put our foot on the accelerator, we start to move. Take our foot off the accelerator and we'll come to a stop. And then there's also another way we can drive it, and this is with the joystick. So just like driving it only with the joystick and no foot pedal mode, we just click this forward and push it, and we see that arrow goes to blinking forward, put our foot on the accelerator, and we start moving again. So now, knowing how to operate the tractor in foot pedal mode, we're going to look at the screen again. So we see that foot pedal mode says 16.3 miles an hour. If we want to slow that down, we can go over to the side and see our foot pedal limiter. So this will limit how fast we go. So if we're pushing this up, we can see it goes to 34.2 miles an hour. If we pull this all the way down, we're at 3.1 miles an hour. So as far as we push this accelerator on the floor, we're only going to go 3.1 miles an hour as our limiter has it set. So this is awesome for backing in towards implements. You don't have to have the rocky motion backing in. You just put your foot all the way on that accelerator and you'll only go that fast. That's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. We want to thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.